Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best DeWalt combo kits is probably one of the most sought-after power tool packages for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering a comprehensive collection of essential tools designed to tackle a wide range of projects with efficiency and power. These kits are meticulously curated to provide exceptional value, bundling popular items like drills, impact drivers, saws, and batteries, ensuring you have the right equipment at your fingertips for any job, big or small, saving you time and money compared to purchasing each tool individually. Number 5. COMOWARE 120 PCS Household Tools Set with 20V Cordless Drill. Introducing a comprehensive 120-piece household tool kit, complete with a powerful 20V cordless drill. It's everything you need for DIY projects, home repairs, and everyday maintenance tasks. Experience extended work hours with the included 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery. This drill features a keyless chuck for secure bit changes and variable speed control for precise drilling. This versatile set includes all the essential hand tools for various jobs, from assembling furniture to hanging curtain rods. You'll find everything from hammers and saws to pliers and wrenches. Crafted from durable steel alloy and chrome vanadium, these tools are built to last. Their lightweight design and non-slip handles ensure a comfortable grip for reduced fatigue. Keep all your tools neatly organized and ready to go in the sturdy, compact carrying case. Its design ensures each tool stays securely in place for easy transport and storage. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one solution for general household tasks. If you're a homeowner who needs a reliable set for basic repairs, furniture assembly, or hanging decor, this kit has you covered. It's ideal for those who want a comprehensive collection of hand tools alongside a capable power drill without breaking the bank. What people say. Comes with lots of attachments and bits etc. The battery life is pretty decent, it's light but good quality as it's last me through many projects for my old apartment as well as a few jobs for clients. This electric drill saved me so much time. It charged up very quick, was simple to use and I'd recommend it to any woman out there that is a DIYer person or single. It had the power, was the right size, and was very light to hold on to. It is light and easy to use. It has a lot of accessories. Powerful motor. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max 10 Tool Cordless Combo Kit. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max 10 Tool Combo Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle any job with power and versatility. Its compact and lightweight design allows you to easily maneuver into tight spaces. The variable speed trigger ensures precise control for delicate tasks. The reciprocating saw features a keyless blade clamp for quick and easy blade changes. No more fumbling with tools when you need to swap blades. Stay visible on the job with the included LED work light. Its hands-free design provides convenient illumination wherever you need it. Experience optimized balance and control with the comfortable, rubber overmolded grip. It's designed for extended use without fatigue. Changing wheels is a breeze thanks to the quick-release mechanism. You won't need a wrench for these tool-free changes. This kit even includes a wireless Bluetooth speaker that runs off the DeWalt battery packs. Plus, enjoy dual cleanup modes with versatile nozzle and hose options. What we like. This extensive 10-tool set is perfect for the serious DIYer or professional who needs a wide range of DeWalt's 20V Max tools. If you're looking for versatility and the convenience of having multiple tools powered by the same battery system, this is a great choice. The inclusion of a Bluetooth speaker is a unique bonus for job site entertainment. What people say. The brushless tools have plenty of power for everyday projects, drilling, driving, cutting, sanding, and more. Battery life has been solid, and the tools feel well balanced and comfortable to use, even for longer jobs. The oscillating multi-tool which is really versatile. I actually used it to cut out all the dividers in my old DeWalt hard cases to store stuff in them. I can see the potential uses for this tool. Most of the tools have LED lights that shine on the work area. Very handy and useful. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max 6 Tool Cordless Combo Kit. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max 6 Tool Cordless Combo Kit. This powerful set is designed to tackle any job with efficiency and ease. Experience up to 75% more runtime thanks to its high-efficiency brushless motor. It delivers exceptional power to keep you working longer. The heavy-duty chuck ensures superior bit gripping strength for precise and reliable performance. Enjoy added control with multiple speed settings. Effortlessly make precise cuts with its advanced circular saw, capable of handling tough materials. It's built for durability and extended use. Switch between tasks in seconds with the quick change accessory system. No wrenches needed, just seamless transitions. Brighten up any job site with the integrated LED flashlight. Its powerful illumination ensures you can see every detail. What we like. For those who demand performance and durability, this 6-tool brushless kit is a top contender. If you're tackling demanding projects that require more power and longer runtime, the brushless motors in these tools will impress. It's ideal for contractors or serious DIYers who need robust tools for frequent and heavy use. What people say. The impact gun is very lightweight and had amazing capability. The one setting is gentle enough to install drawer slide screws, while the 3 could drive a dull screw through Captain America's shield without hesitation. The 5-amp batteries are key. They supply enormous power for a very long time. The drill is near the top of the line and turns my 12 auger bits with ease. The circular saw is light but normal size and a dream to use. One of the few combos with all XR tools and batteries. The XR tools are DeWalt in-house development and not licensed to others or others tools licensed to DeWalt. These are the second or third best of each tool in the DeWalt lineup. Hammer drill for example, DeWalt has a Power Detect 60V capable and a newer revised model, so it's basically the third best available at time of purchase. This is the best value combo in my opinion if you want XR tools. Number 2. DeWalt 20V Max 6-tool cordless combo kit. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max 6-tool cordless power tool combo kit. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle a wide range of applications with power and precision. The included drill driver is compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and fit into tight spaces. Its high-performance motor delivers ample power for various tasks. This kit also features a powerful impact driver with a compact design. It's built to handle demanding applications while remaining easy to handle. Effortlessly change blades on the reciprocating saw with its keyless clamp. This feature allows for quick and safe blade swaps without direct contact. The circular saw, equipped with a carbide blade, is capable of cutting through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in a single pass. It offers efficient and clean cuts. For cutting and grinding applications, the cordless grinder provides high power. It operates at up to 8,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient performance. The oscillating multi-tool offers a 3-speed selector, allowing you to choose the optimal speed setting for any specific application. This enhances versatility and control. What we like. This 6-tool combo kit offers a great balance of essential power tools for a variety of tasks. If you appreciate compact designs that fit into tight spaces and need a solid set for general construction, renovation, or repair work, this kit is an excellent option. It provides the core tools needed for most common job site applications. What people say. He had shopped around and DeWalt was a brand he has used for a long time, and trusts their quality and durability. The battery holds a charge well, and the tools he's used have worked perfectly. Smaller, lighter and more compact than the old ones. Better torque and power on all levels. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max XR 4-tool combo kit, DCK449P2. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max XR 4-tool combo kit. This powerful set is designed to tackle a wide range of jobs with efficiency and ease. The hammer drill's compact design allows you to easily access hard-to-reach work areas. Its shorter length compared to previous models ensures better maneuverability. Experience enhanced control with the impact driver, featuring precision drive and speed 1 to prevent over-tightening. Multiple speed settings offer versatility for various applications. Make rapid cuts through different materials with the reciprocating saw's impressive stroke length. Its pivoting shoe provides stability, and the variable trigger ensures comfort and control. Don't let darkness slow you down. This work light provides bright LED output to illuminate your work surface, ensuring visibility even in dimly lit spaces. This kit includes a hammer drill with high bit retention thanks to its metal ratcheting chuck. The drill also features an adjustable LED with a spotlight mode for extended work time. What we like. This 4-tool set is designed for efficiency and accessibility in challenging work environments. If you frequently work in tight spaces or dimly lit areas, the compact size and enhanced LED spotlight feature of this kit will be invaluable. It's perfect for electricians, plumbers, or anyone who needs powerful tools that are easy to maneuver and see with. What people say. I feel like DeWalt tools are pretty durable and function well. You can do a decent amount of work with these things before the battery dies. If you have other batteries, you can always have extra charge to switch out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.